You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word, this one, quite confusing. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got tons more. I'll link to a few of them at the end of this video. In British English first, UK, obligor. Obligor. In American English, it's more generally pronounced as obligor. A more open R sound than bl, schwa sound, as opposed to a bli sound, bl or bli, and then gore. Obligor. American English pronunciation, obligor. British English pronunciation, obligor. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.